it's 65 degrees outside. And the next town we're gonna go through is gonna be Olney, Texas. There it is. 3,285 people. That's the population. Let's ride through here and see what we see. Looks like we're not even in town yet. Town's straight ahead. Woohoo! Interesting now. Old truck. Old gas station on the right. Sonny's Barbecue. Mural on the right. There we come. Got some old buildings there, old signs, got the awnings. There's another mural on the right. There you go. Got some old buildings. I like how they got the sidewalk covered where you can walk down through there in the rain. Old building right there on the right. Love these old buildings. They got the mural on the right. How I wish you were here. Building on the right. All built. That was pretty good. Had a few old buildings in it. That was worth seeing right there. We ain't out of town yet. Like an abandoned house up there on the right. Had the roofs gone. There's a couple of them up in there. catch them with a crane up against those things, or putting one up, I'm gonna go video it. That or catch somebody out that top door, on the back of one, out the back door, just so everybody can get a glimpse of how big they really are. We'll get it. It's on the list. Go ahead and cut it here. Now, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all thought about it. Me and Levi's gonna go see what else we can find.